In this video, I'm giving a pair of accent tables a makeover. I purchased these tables from my local flea market for $25 for the pair. As you see, I need to do repair work. Let's get started.
I don't even know me yet, but that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do?
I'm using this wood filler to fill the holes and cracks. It goes on pink and dries white when it's time to sand and paint.
I just sleep talk, that's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
It's important to sand to help prepare the area for painting application, creating a nice smooth finish.
I won't reach, but I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
My shop vac to vacuum the dust off. I'm cleaning with soap and water to make sure all the dust is off so I can achieve a beautiful paint finish.
Through million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Now that the repair work and prep work is done, it's time to paint.
I don't know what to do.
I can't even explain it, nah. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Ooh, really no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a fool. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain. Love the way that you smell. You sure this ain't a spell like voodoo? You give me feelings I never felt. Do them little things that make my heart melt. I love how you can take a joke just as well as you speak to my soul. Love the passion that your voice holds. How you never ever hypocritical. Yeah. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away. I know you love me in the sun or the rain, yeah. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad but it don't push you away. I know you love me
painting a total of 3 coats, letting dry 2 hours before I apply another coat.
Said I love it, love it, love it. The sound of the rain. Ooh, baby, I want you to know that I'll never let you go. What I say ain't just for show. No, 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 I've never been more sure. You deserve it all and more. Type of love you gotta earn. It's not yours. Love it when you say that you.
I'm doing a total of 3 coats of protective finish and using a foam brush to smooth it out, making sure I don't have any bubbles in my finish. To add more color, I'm using this fabric, applying it with fabric glue.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never
Smooth it down, let it dry for 24 hours.
Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that
I'm using a blade to trim off the extra fabric.
and no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling. 'Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine.
To save money, I'm using the hardware that was already on the piece.
Nothing in this world
Let's take a look at what it looked like before. Thanks for watching.
you do feels like I'm dancing on moonlight.